Good morning, folks. This is our river, what is called our street, right here in Sealy, Texas. This water is wild all the way across, just as far as you can see. There's an open lot right there. It's all underwater. Boy, I wish I could. I have to be very careful where I'm stepping so I don't actually step in the water, because the water is all the way clear up. There you go. That's about 400 feet in front of me. That's where the water actually stops on the street. There's a car right here. This is all underwater right here. That's all water right there. That is all water. He's got a mailbox over there. I don't know how clearly you can see that, but he's got a mailbox over there that's about 2 feet underwater. Here we go. Now, there's the car I was saying about. It looked like the car was underwater. The whole front end of it is. This is wild, folks. I do mean wild. I've never, ever, ever seen this much water. This is the car right here that's underwater. Nope, you gotta have night vision on. Okay, night vision is on. That's the car, folks. It's not completely underwater, but it does have water under the tires for sure. It's completely covered the tire up to the wheel itself. That water is all the way up to the edge of that building across the street. I wish I could bring it in clearer, but I can't. Wow, this is just amazing. Anyway, this is raw, live footage of Sealy, Texas on June the 16th, 2015. June the 16th, 2015. This is what we're looking at. Water everywhere. Okay, guys, I'm going to cut this off so I can walk back home. God bless y'all and have a great day.